Imagine a bustling digital city where countless users need to access various buildings and resources. Not everyone should have the keys to every door, right? How do we ensure that individuals only get access to exactly what they need without creating a management nightmare? In role-based access control, often referred to as RBAC, capabilities are linked to user roles indirectly. This means that instead of assigning specific permissions directly to each user, permissions are grouped into roles, and then users are assigned one or more of these roles. This indirect linking is a fundamental design principle for a very good reason: scalability and maintainability. When a system grows, managing individual permissions for hundreds or thousands of users becomes unwieldy and error-prone. RBAC separates the concepts of users, roles, and permissions. Permissions representing specific actions like reading a file or writing to a database. Roles are logical groupings of these permissions. For example, an administrator role might have permissions to create, read, update, and delete, while a viewer role only has read permissions. Users are then simply assigned to the appropriate role or roles, significantly simplifying management and adhering to the principle of least privilege. Implementing RBAC typically involves a three-step process. First, define all the granular permissions your system requires, like edit user profile or view financial report. Second, create distinct roles by thoughtfully bundling these permissions together based on job functions or responsibilities. For instance, a customer support role might get access to user profiles but not financial data. Finally, assign individual users to the roles that best match their responsibilities, granting them all the underlying permissions without needing to manage each one separately. This architecture also offers a powerful advantage known as role hierarchy. This allows roles to inherit permissions from other roles. For example, a senior manager role could inherit all permissions from a regular manager role, plus a few additional high-level permissions. This adds another layer of organizational flexibility, streamlining the definition and management of complex access policies and making security audits much clearer and more efficient. By linking capabilities to roles instead of directly to users, RBAC provides a robust framework that simplifies user access management, enhances security by enforcing the principle of least privilege, and ensures a more flexible and scalable authorization system for any growing application. It makes managing who can do what a much clearer and more straightforward process.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.